The Miele Triflex HX1 cordless stick vacuum cleaner is a sleek, high-performance vacuum designed to make cleaning your entire home easier and more efficient. It's powered by a replaceable Varta Li-ion battery, offering up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge, making it a great choice for those needing to cover large spaces without constantly worrying about recharging. With a patented 3-in-1 design, the Triflex HX1 transforms into 3 different modes: comfort, reach, and compact, allowing users to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease. Whether you need the power of a traditional upright vacuum, the flexibility of a handheld, or the convenience of a stick vacuum, this model can do it all. One standout feature of the Triflex HX1 is its automatic floor detection system. Equipped with an extra-wide electro brush, this vacuum automatically adapts to different floor types, from carpets to hard floors, ensuring that you always have optimal cleaning performance without needing to adjust settings manually. This feature is a game changer for those with multi-surface homes, making it incredibly easy to switch between rooms and cleaning scenarios without any hassle. In addition to its intelligent cleaning technology, the Miele Triflex HX1 is designed with hygiene in mind. Its Hygiene Lifetime filter captures up to 99.99% of fine particles, ensuring a dust-free atmosphere in your home, which is particularly beneficial for allergy sufferers. The filter doesn't need to be replaced frequently, adding an extra layer of convenience and cost savings for the long term. Real-world usage of the Triflex HX1 shows that it's not only powerful, but also highly versatile. Whether it's fine dust and crumbs on hard floors or deep-seated dirt and pet hair in carpets, this vacuum does an impressive job across a variety of surfaces. The electro brush automatically adjusts to different flooring types, so there's no need to keep switching modes manually. It's especially effective at picking up embedded pet hair, which is often a challenge for many vacuums, and its performance doesn't suffer when transitioning between different areas of your home. The battery life is solid for most cleaning tasks, though heavier cleaning in higher power modes will naturally drain it faster. That being said, with up to 60 minutes of runtime on lower settings, it's more than sufficient for most homes. Another area where the Miele Triflex HX1 excels is in its user-friendly design. The vacuum stands upright unaided, which is a unique feature not commonly found in other stick vacuums. This makes it easy to store, even in smaller spaces. The 3-in-1 flexibility makes it simple to adapt the vacuum to different needs. Whether you're cleaning high shelves with the reach mode, getting into tight spaces with the compact mode, or using it as a standard upright for larger cleaning jobs. Additionally, the Triflex HX1 comes with a wall bracket for convenient storage, as well as useful attachments like the SPD-20 upholstery nozzle and a crevice nozzle for detailed cleaning tasks, including stairs and car interiors. There are a few drawbacks to consider, though. Despite its flexibility, the Triflex HX1 can feel a bit bulky in certain configurations, particularly when using the larger comfort mode for extended periods. While it's still relatively lightweight compared to many other full-size vacuums, it may not be the best choice for those looking for an ultra-lightweight option. Noise levels are also something to keep in mind. It's not the quietest vacuum out there, especially on higher power settings, though it's not overly loud either. The runtime, while impressive at 60 minutes, will drop significantly when using the vacuum at higher power, so it's something to plan for during longer cleaning sessions. If you have a very large home or thick carpeted areas, the battery may require recharging before the job is done, which could be inconvenient. When it comes to value for money, the Miele Triflex HX1 is on the higher end of the price spectrum for cordless stick vacuums. However, considering the power, flexibility, and build quality, it's a solid investment for those who need a versatile vacuum that can handle a variety of tasks. For homes with multiple types of flooring or pet owners who need to keep up with frequent messes, it offers excellent value. If you're looking for a more affordable option, there are some competing models like the Dyson V8 or the Shark Vertex, which provide similar performance at a slightly lower price point. These alternatives may not have the same automatic floor detection or the 3-in-1 versatility, but they still offer strong suction and long battery life for the price. Comparing it to other options in the market, the Triflex HX1 stands out for its unique design and flexibility. The Dyson V11, for example, offers excellent suction power and is similarly priced, but it lacks the Miele's multi-mode versatility and automatic floor detection. On the other hand, models like the Shark Rocket or the Bissell Icon Pet offer lower prices, but may not perform as well on carpets or have the same filtration quality. For those prioritizing filtration and a cleaner, healthier home environment, the Triflex HX1's advanced filter system and overall performance on multiple surfaces make it a great option, especially for allergy sufferers. In terms of build quality, Miele has a solid reputation for durable, well-made products, and the Triflex HX1 is no exception. The materials used feel premium, and the vacuum is sturdy without feeling too heavy. The motorized brush roll handles pet hair and debris with ease, and the vacuum's overall design is built to last. Maintenance is straightforward. Emptying the dustbin is easy, and the filters can be cleaned or replaced as needed. However, due to the vacuum's high-end design, replacement parts or accessories can be on the pricier side, so it's something to keep in mind for long-term upkeep. Miele is known for providing excellent customer service, and while there may not be a pressing need for support, the brand's reputation for reliability and after-sales care is reassuring for those investing in this vacuum. The Miele Triflex HX1 is a versatile, powerful cordless vacuum that excels in multi-surface cleaning, particularly for homes with pets or allergy concerns. While it may be on the pricier side, its performance, flexibility, and build quality make it a top contender in the cordless stick vacuum category. If you're looking for something that adapts to your cleaning needs, whether it's reaching high spaces or tackling pet hair, the Triflex HX1 could be the perfect fit. However, if you're after something lighter or have a budget-conscious mindset, you may want to explore other options. Thanks for watching. Check out the product link in the comments box below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. If you have any questions or experiences with this vacuum, drop them in the comments. Goodbye, till next time, and don't let the dust settle.